Good morning. Global markets have heaved a sigh of relief now. The European leaders have buried the hatchet in order to avert a possible split in the Eurozone and bolster confidence in the Euro. Another major financial crisis has been avoided, but it remains to be seen how fast the debt-ridden European nations can rebound from here on. A major task ahead of them is to overhaul their economic structures in order to return to sustainable growth while also keeping in check their high debt levels. The global economic recovery has suffered a temporary setback. What this means is that the crisis-fighting stimulus will stay in for some time to come in advanced nations. Even central banks in emerging countries like India may go slow in raising rates. The dollar may remain firm. Emerging markets with strong growth will benefit from ultra-soft monetary regime in Western countries. For the day, the outlook remains positive, though the start will be a little lackluster. Asian markets are mixed. The stocks in China are up this morning owing to strong set of economic data released today. The Hang Seng is trading in the red. Some choppiness is likely to be seen and the main Indian indices may once again slip into a range-bound trade. We would urge caution at these levels. The Nifty may face resistance at around 5,250 to 5,350 levels, while on the downside support is expected to kick in at around 4,950 to 5,050. One should wait till the Nifty achieves a decisive break out of this range. A sustained move past 5,400 or perhaps even 5,500 may still take a while to materialize. Global markets must remain fairly strong and there should not be any significant external accidents. Liquidity, which has dipped due to the European crisis, should also remain robust. In the immediate future, one needs to closely follow the macroeconomic data points like the IIP data and the monthly inflation. Both the reports will be out later this week. The results to be announced today are Bajaj Auto Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Hindustan, Havells India, Hindalco, Jain Education, Jindal Drilling, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Ranbaxy and SREI Infra. FIIs were net buyers of Rs 2.64 billion in the cash segment on Monday on a provisional basis, according to the NSE website. Local institutions were net buyers of Rs 302.5 million. In the F&O segment, the foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 26.8 billion. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India plans to allow spectrum sharing between operators on commercial terms. The government has now formally banned foreign direct investment in cigarette manufacturing, closing the doors on many foreign companies. The Finance Ministry and the RBI have asked public sector banks to consider taking over urban cooperative banks after their efforts to spur consolidation among large lenders drew a blank. Vedanta Resources, through its subsidiary Hindustan Zinc, has acquired UK-based Anglo-American PLC's zinc business for $1.34 billion in all-cash deals. Axis Bank has acquired 1.2% stake in Karnataka Bank. Moving on to the recommendations, the derivative strategies are: long Tulip Telecom may future at Rs 919 for a target price of Rs 946 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 908. And long Adani Enterprises may future at Rs 573 for a target price of Rs 585 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 566. The technical calls are a buy on M&M. Traders are recommended to buy the stock at levels of Rs 554 for a target price of Rs 584 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 540. And a sell on Bank of India. Traders are recommended to sell the stock at levels of Rs 334 for a target price of Rs 317 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 346. Thank you and have a great day ahead.